What's the matter, Sonic? Can't keep up?
You were saying?
I didn't mean that literally. It was a taunt. It's Villainy 101.
Amy, Knuckles, go left!
Give me a sec. I'm on it.
Well, what are you waiting for? After them! Oh, Sonic! You know what's better than an ambush?
An ambush with ice cream?
That sounds delicious. But no! The post-ambush ambush!
Uh-oh.
So I dug up these ancient robots, and it took me forever to figure out how to control them. And then I couldn't have all that effort go to waste unless I'd sick them on you! Try to appreciate all the work I put in as they destroy you. Toodles!
A forest. This is more like it.
Quite peaceful.
You made it!
What happened to Metal?
Let's just say he won't be bothering us again. Unless he comes back.
What is this place? Don't touch that! I've got a bad feeling about this place.
Guys, check this out.
How is that possible? These ancient carvings look just like Sonic and Tails. What the heck are those things?
We fought some of them before.
Without us? Oh, you know how much I like punching things.
Be my guest.
Right behind you. That was awesome. Sonic, we can take these guys.
Guys, this way!
Just as I thought.
Whoa, look over there.
What do you think that is? It may lead to a path out of our current predicament.
And then that's where we're headed.
We can't get across this huge chasm.
You see, guys? I told you I'd find the exit. No problem.
I don't think those doors were to keep us out. they were to keep that in. Let's get out of here. Oh, wait, I forgot. We can't.
Not cool, Sonic. You locked us in.
Locked us in? I was saving you.
We didn't need saving.
Yeah.
Guys, can we put a pin in this for a second?
You and I have unfinished business.
I have no idea what you're talking about, but I'm pretty sure it's a bad thing. Now I'm convinced it's a bad thing. Ah!
1,000 years later and you're still predictable.
What's he talking about?
He dodged my spin attack. Nobody's ever done that before.
Rise, my warriors. We have a world to destroy. Now, let's see what 1,000 years in prison will do to you.
What just happened? Well, let's see. We discovered an ancient tomb, moved those mirror things around, and got steamrolled by a 1,000-year-old reptile. Did I leave anything out?
Yeah, you forgot the part where it was all Sonic's fault.
I was saving you!
Speaking of saving us, I almost have this thing figured out.
We gotta stop that slithery psycho.
First, we gotta get out of here.
Tails, friendship bracelets? Now? Not exactly. I recalibrated the shackles into sort of energy beams.
Great work, buddy. Maybe we can use these things to find a way out.
Cliff! Thank goodness we found you!
I didn't know I was missing.
What do you know about an ancient tomb with a giant snake in it?
Can't say I know much. Oh, but I do know about an ancient prison with a giant snake in it.
Well, how about you tell us about that one?
The snake's name is Lyric, and he was locked away to prevent him from destroying all life in the world. He's the last surviving member of a long-lost civilization called the Ancients. They harvested all the energy they needed from powerful crystals. Despite their advanced technology, the Ancients lived in perfect harmony with nature, except for Lyric, who schemed to steal the crystals and use them to power an army of machines. When the Ancients found out, they imprisoned him. He's an evil, ruthless, dangerous, pitiless, remorseless monster. Thank goodness he's locked up for all eternity.
Yeah. Funny story. You might have accidentally unleashed him on the world.
Not cool, Sonic. But you might still be able to stop him. Lyric needs those crystals to reboot his army. His first move will be to go after them. You gotta get him first.
How do we find him?
If that prison is still functioning, there must be a crystal nearby. That's a good place to start. If you have any other questions, my buddy Quincy here can answer them.
What if I have questions? Come on, guys, this way!
The mine collapsed! The miners are trapped! Can you help me save them? Please save them!
Okay there, fella, calm down. We are heroes, so obviously we can and will help. We're a pretty big deal.
Thank you, thank you, thank you! Thank you so much. Oh, you guys are amazing. I don't know how we're gonna repay you, but here, take this as a memento of my appreciation. The miners dug it up a long time ago.
I think your best bet to locate another crystal is in the abandoned Ancients factory. Make your way over there and see what you can find. Could I borrow a bit of your time? Hello. I hope you are having a non-cursed day. I am not. Do you mind if I tell you my story?
Okay.
I need your help. I need to fix a problem that has haunted my family for thousands of years. You see, a long time ago, we tried to improve our fertilizer formula. We screwed it up and turned all our crops into viney weeds that destroy every plant around it. I know people just can't go back in time, but if you find something in lyrics or the ancients that can reverse this curse, I would be eternally grateful. Will you think about it?
I'm not sure if any of the Ancients' machines will let you time travel, but we can look to see if anything they have helps.
Anything you can do will help. I hope you find something in your future that will help my past.
Are you guys okay?
Looks like we've fallen through a trap door!
We're trapped down here! We'll keep going forward and hopefully meet up with you ahead! No, basically it's a leap up onto the beam, then a triple toe spin, and then down, and boom! That's how we do it!
Scanning life forms. Negative for blue hedgehog.
But positive for red echidna.
Red echidna irrelevant.
What do you want with the blue hedgehog?
Information classified.
Come on!
Peer pressure acknowledged. Acquiescing in 3, 2. Blue hedgehog is necessary to stop Lyric. Disclose hedgehog location immediately.
How do we know we can trust you enough to tell you that Sonic and Tails are a few levels down? What?
This place gives me the creeps.
Relax. It's not like anything's gonna jump out at you.
Ah!
I really didn't see that coming.
Scanning life forms. Hedgehog and Fox confirmed. It is agreeable to see you both once again.
Why does everybody keep saying that? Who are you?
I am Maya. Long ago, I rebelled against my creator, Lyric, and helped imprison him. Now, 1,000 years later, he has returned.
We know that. We're looking for the crystals to stop him.
Processing. There is a map that reveals the location of all the crystals.
Where is it?
Not where. When. It disappeared long ago. But this machine can transport you to a time before it vanished.
Let's go!
Facility power is non-functional. Generator requires reactivation. Location is up there.
Amy! Maya's going to help us with the crystals, but we need the generator up and running!
We're on it!
Me too!
Portal activating. Setting coordinates. Upon completion, I will send you through.
Not so fast, Sonic.
Shadow, what are you doing here?
Not a great time, Shadow. I'm a little busy saving the world.
Saving the world? You? Don't make me laugh. You're weak. And you know what makes you weak? Your loyalty to your pathetic friends. You're not going through that portal. I'm gonna show you just how weak you are.
Portal is ready.
What happened to Shadow?
Calculating. He appears to have landed in the near future. Not yours. Mine. Now go, before the portal closes.
Whoa! Sonic, help!
I guess Maya's accuracy needs some work.
Get me out of here!
Maya! It's great to see you!
Life form not recognized.
You sent us here from 1,000 years in the future.
Processing. 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 Whoa, cool.
Future you said that past you
Which is actually current you.
would show us the location of the map here in the past so that we can use it to stop Lyric in the future.
Processing. That makes sense.
Really?
Lyric is building an army of robots to destroy all organic life forms. There is only one weapon powerful enough to stop him. I require you to clear the path to it. Complete this task, and I will get you to the map room.
Hey, it's the turtle guy. Hey, are you about to plant your crops?
Why, yes. I have these boysenberries right here.
Are you sure they don't say poison?
Why, you are right. It does say poison. Ooh, I would have made a huge mistake. Thank you so much for fixing this. Oh, my. That would have been deadly. How on earth did you know?
Let's just say an interested party wanted us to look out for you.
Well, if you see him, tell him he is a lifesaver.
The ancients will rue the day they dared to hide my crystals from me. Now that I've found their map, those crystals will be mine once again. And then I will annihilate them and everything they hold dear.
Just spitballing here, boss, but can we just let him off with a warning this time?
Did they warn me that working to unlock the power of the crystals would make me sick? Did they warn me that their feeble organic medicines would never be able to heal me? No, they didn't. I had to make this to keep myself alive. Technology is the only thing you can trust, which is why I'm going to rid this world of all organic life forms and rebuild it piece by robotic piece.
Somebody needs a hug.
More like a beatdown. Let's do this.
Activating gratitude. Thank you. You have saved my world.
And now we have to save ours. Get us to that map room.
How will we know when she's ready?
I'm ready.
She's ready.
Follow this to the map room.
What's happening?
Sir, it appears one of the Maya units has gone rogue and taken control of the Sentinel.
What? How?
Lyric,
Who are you?
you and I have unfinished business. See you in 1,000 years.
We got the map.
Time travel rules.
We got a crystal.
I'm so confused.
Where is it? Where is it?
Lose something?
Who are you?
Eggman! Dr. Eggman! But you can call me Doctor, the guy who set you free so you can give me the secrets of your technology so I can be even more powerful than I already... You know what? Just call me Boss.
Who do you think made these robots and left them for you to find, you pathetic waste of carbon?
Did I say I was the boss? I meant we were equal partners. Okay, 60-40. You drive a hard bargain. I accept.
Silence! You're even more infuriating than that hedgehog.
Hedgehog? Is he giving you trouble?
He trapped me on the eve of my triumph. Because of him, the ancients were able to put me in that prison, and now I suspect he has my map. If you can get it back for me, I'll let you live.
We have ourselves a deal. Shake! Yeah, on second thought, your word is good enough for me.
Okay, stay calm. No need to panic. It's just a little water.
This is amazing!
I think I'm getting the hang of this.
We know where we gotta go.
Ha! Gotcha now! Wait, no! Excuse me, your scaliness. I've got good news and bad news.
You don't seem to be holding a map.
And now that we've got the bad news out of the way, the good news is I killed our mortal enemy, Sonic, and his stupid friends.
I expected you to fail. Doesn't matter. My driller worms are hard at work searching for crystals. We'll have the first one soon.
What is all this stuff?
Tails and I will go left, up along the ridge.
You really think you can keep up with me?
Been doing it all day.
Well, if you can't keep up, just go with them.
One of these days, I am gonna knock you out. Really.
Glad we went this way! This is amazing!
I'm glad those two are having fun.
Did you see that thing on top of the cliff?
It looks broken. Probably used for scrap metal.
Okay, but if this thing comes to life with bells and whistles and attacks us, you get an I told you so. It didn't get prettier up close.
Okay, ready? Let's do this.
Wait, you want to start it? This better work. The result better be something cool. Like cake. What did you do?
It worked! We did it!
Who brought the thunder? This guy. You said we. I heard it!
Nah, you have too much dirt in your ears.
But you did say it. I'm proud of you. That's what a good teammate would say.
All right, only way out is down. Let's go.
I wonder how far this hole goes. Ah! Whew! Oh, squishy floor.
Get off of my face!
Whoops, my bad.
Now what?
If we only had a light. Sorry I mentioned it. Sometimes you have to punch through.
Big deal. Maybe I loosened it.
Yeah, you keep thinking that.
Oh, help!
I got you.
I'm slipping!
I've got you.
I can't hold on much longer!
This is not how it ends for you.
Thanks.
Finally. What took you guys so long?
Seriously?
Isn't this place awesome? Our minecart ride was so cool. And the views. Oh gosh, yes, forgot about that. I'm pretty sure this place is a dig site for Lyric, but we haven't seen any of his bots. I mean, we almost did, but heard the sirens and off they went before they saw us whip by. Guys, where are we?
Whoa, hang on!
had to say something, didn't you?
Get him!
Hey, a crystal!
Well, there is good news. Yes, the good news is Sonic still has the map. So all we have to do is draw him out, and I know just how to do it.
Glad to see all of you safe and sound. How do you like the old bird? Not too shabby for being buried for 1,000 years, huh?
Cliff, we found the location for the next crystal. It's across the ocean.
Well, you came to the right place. Let's fire this baby up. Get on board. This is your stop. Everyone off. You might want to jump now.
Got it, we rock! This is my fault. They're here because of me. I need to draw them away.
We're in this together. We need to draw them away.
Hey, Egghead! And you too, Snake Breath! Come and get it!
Oh no.
You fool. You failed me yet again. It's time to dissolve this partnership.
Funny, I was about to say the same thing to you. Meet Metal Sonic, my creation, and your destruction. You're not the only one who knows how to build robots, you know. Again with the chess circle thing? We get it! I mean, at this point, you're just showing off. Seriously.
Now, Metal Sonic, I'm going to upgrade your code, and then you're going to do something for me.
There's the crystal. This room is amazing.
There he is!
It's metal. We led metal straight to it. He's got the crystal.
Follow him!
He's down.
Boost ring!
Hey! We survived that? Nice!
He dropped something!
He dropped the crystal. I don't even want to ask where it came out of.
This is the place.
I'll go down to get the crystal.
Sonic and I will go get the crystal. Knuckles and Tails, you stay back in case the village is attacked again.
Who put you in charge? I say Tails and I will stay back and protect the village, and you and Sonic take the elevator.
You win this round, Knuckles. Amy, let's go.
what is this place?
How do you just keep appearing out of nowhere?
Because I am awesome. And I fit into vents. I was created here, programmed here.
Hey, the crystal!
It's right there. So close.
It's right by the entrance. That never happens.
Wow, Sonic. Would you look at that?
Really picturesque, Amy. Let's go.
For once, nothing is chasing us. Just take a minute to soak it in. Okay, let's go.
Phew. Thank you. Hey, look. We're back on the beach near the town. Let's see where this crystal leads us next.
Hey, there's Knuckles and Tails.
Something is rising, not falling. This is a good day.
Leaving so soon, before hearing the bad news. Manual controls, huh? Where's my invention?
Thanks to Sonic, metal scrap now. Another worthless creation.
Worthless, eh? Watch this!
Impressive.
Classic Egghead.
Check out the mech, huh? Welcome, Sonic. After I crush you, I will defeat that rat of a snake and become top dog. Oh, oh. Timber! Should have installed airbags. Giddy up! Out of there! Just clear the mech! Ah, got it! Nice start, losers!
Whoa, cool.
Come on, guys.
What happened?
It must have been designed to only take two. But don't worry, I've got a plan. There they are. It looks like they're landing up ahead.
Sonic. So good of you to join us. Once I knew you had the map, all I had to do was sit back and wait while you collected all my crystals for me. Now, hand them over.
Not gonna happen, Snake Breath.
Really? Let's see what your friends think.
Guys, don't do it! We can take him!
Okay, Lyric, we gave you what you want. Let him go.
I have a better idea. Our unfinished business is finished.
Don't just stand there. We got a snake to catch.
Whew! You know, I thought I lost my sidekick.
Sonic, I can't stop!
One window seat, please.
How did we get stuck with the exit row?
The time has come to finish what we started 1,000 years ago. Now go forth and destroy every plant, every animal, everything that lives and breathes. Then, together, we will build a glorious world of metal. Rise, my warriors!
The only world of metal you're going to is the junkyard.
You've been a thorn in my side for 1,000 years. But now I know your weakness, Sonic. It's your friends.
You're wrong, Lyric. They're not my weakness. They're my strength.
Destroy.
Yeah!
Yeah! Yeah!
Nothing to it!
Impossible! Interesting.
Got him!
Did you really think you could defeat me?
It's not every day you can hog-tie a snake.
Looks like you and your friends got the job done. Not bad.
Okay, that's the last of them. How did you know? I've been looking for a spatula. Thank you, thank you. Okay.
We're going to celebrate this victory with ice cream. Chocolate.
No, vanilla.
Vanilla's too plain.
Chocolate isn't plain enough.
You saved a lot of people.
We saved a lot of people.
Chuck another one up for Team Sonic.
How about just team?
This is going to be so awesome.
Ah!